Oh man. You gotta watch out here. People don't stop for you for nothing. I guess he's gonna go around the block and try it again. We're gonna go around the block and try it again. I'm like a kid in a candy store right now. What do you think's in there? Something special. Maybe it's a big bag of Doritos. Okay, he's getting a red light there. Let's go. This is like Santa Claus on Christmas Day.
You didn't bring your tools?
We're trying to get the FedEx guy to install it for us.
All right, here we go.
One, two, three.
I guess somebody sent this to us as a surprise.
Need to be turned a certain way.
No, sir. I think that'll work.
It'll work.
All right. This is Richard back at you. Today's a very exciting day and an emotional day for me a little bit. Trent, I mean, we are very blessed on what we're doing. Something come in yesterday that just blows us away. We had a company step up and want to support us and support what we're doing. And they seen that our parts washer is like 900 years old. And they wanted to help us out on upgrading our parts washer, and that way our cases come cleaner, the transmissions work a lot better right off the bat, just everything about it. This company that is supporting us is called InstaCLEAN. This company has been around since 1977. The dad has it now. The son is going to take over its footsteps. They've sold thousands of machines, guys. Could you imagine since 1977 how many machines they've sold? And believe me, I've got on their webpage and stuff. They've got some nice stuff. So don't forget to go check them out. But let me show you what they sent us, what they want to support us with. Pretty emotional, guys. Come here and check this out. We haven't even opened it up yet. They come in, wrapped up like this, free freight all the way to the door. We don't know what it looks like. Let's look what it looks like.
Big present together.
We're gonna be careful. Let me get my glasses on. I don't want to pop these bands and hit me in the eye or something. But
It's seriously, I want to jump up and down. Those straps sound heavy duty.
them down there. They called us, and when they said they wanted to be part of our program, they custom built this machine for us. It didn't exist when they called us. They physically had to make it. They sent us all the pictures of them as they were making it, welding it together, powder coating it, putting the electric in it, the pump, you know, all that type of stuff. So this is going to make it a lot easier on us because of the design of it compared to the old machine that we have now.
Oh man.
This thing is beautiful.
Oh man.
I cannot wait
I
to
know.
get in this thing.
You're opening it too slow.
I know.
No,
Makes
but be
it more
careful.
enjoyable.
Yeah, be careful. Oh my.
I open a lot of new stuff, guys, but this thing takes the cake.
This is the whole cake, the pudding.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my.
You know, when they called us and told us what they wanted to do and be a part of it, of us, I didn't even know what to say.
And they do a lot of stuff. They do solvent tanks. They do everything.
Yes.
They do everything.
And they wrap them good.
That's some good wrap too, huh?
There we go.
Wow.
Oh my God. What do you say? What do you say when somebody steps up like this and sends you a machine like this to help you out, to do your job, to make your job easier, to make your product come out better? I mean,
How do you open it?
I think it's locked right here, probably for shipping.
Oh yeah, yeah,
Grab a
yeah.
wrench off of it.
I have no words.
This is a nice machine. Don't want to step on these bands without them to cut the teeth. If you're barefoot.
Check water twice daily. Max temp 170. She's a cooker on the inside, I bet. I mean, they took time even painting this thing. The paint job better than most cars.
This is beautiful.
You hear that? It's beautiful. Not just nice, it's beautiful.
Like I said, the machine I got over there, I know is probably 50 years old, easy. But you do what you got to do. You just keep it maintenance and take care of your stuff.
I'm 29 years old, and ever since I can remember, you've had that machine.
I bought that back in, I'm going to say, we was over on Arthur Street on 93, so we'd have bought it in 93. Right
93?
Yeah. And it was used then, so I don't know how old it was then even. But we got our, looks like here, our temperature setting, our timer that's going to run the machine. Over here we have a manual. Now they wired this machine just for our shop. We had to call them back and let them know what how our building was set up and stuff like that. Look at the detail work.
That's some nice stuff. Yeah, they just didn't throw it in there.
Really detailed work.
That's why these guys are one of the top, I hear.
Yeah. Look at the size of this motor and pump assembly, Trent. That is massive.
Wow.
Did not pull up pipes. Instructions there.
That's probably important.
Mm-hmm. And we have our oil skimmer over here. I've never had a machine with an oil skimmer.
Wow.
I guess it keeps the fluid cleaner a lot like that.
What?
Dumps it off into a little bucket. There might be a bucket or something inside. Oh no, this must be a timer for the oil skimmer.
What?
Yeah. So, yeah.
Oh, man. Okay.
Let's look inside. You ready?
Moment of truth.
Oh my gosh.
Some more goodies.
Is that beautiful, guys, or what?
Man. They get down.
Oh, look at this. This right here spins.
Oh. What?
We've got to look at this. This is awesome.
We're like kids in a candy store, guys. Seriously.
Sample charge. This sample is designed charge for your new parts washer. Use an entire amount. This container. God, we got a lot of reading and studying to do on this thing.
And it's like a new car.
Basket here.
Nice.
Oh, that's pretty. My old basket, every hole's plugged up.
I wish you had the basket out right now.
Yeah, my basket, every hole's plugged up.
Oh, man.
I'm not for sure. Like I said, we got to read some instructions. Got a vent tube here.
Spare parts. Come on now.
Let me get a pair of
Cutters. Yes, sir. Wow. This is awesome.
I bet this thing cleans like crazy. The way it's made, spins and stuff. Look at that.
Rack hanger.
Yeah, that's really nice. My old one, me and Trent made it. Looks like I don't know what it looks like, but it don't look good.
It's been welded on once, twice, 3 times.
Yeah, this is awesome looking.
Yeah, this
I like
is great.
It keeps it from sliding.
Yep.
Stuff like that.
Man.
Now this, that spins somehow. I'm gonna have to learn how to.
I think it slid out a little bit. I don't know, because it's not letting it slide.
And see, we might have to turn it on too. I don't really know. See, we got some stuff down in here.
Oh, those are locking handles for up at the top.
Oh, that go here to lock the door shut. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. And then we have some pieces here. And we have a nice basket down here too. Look at that basket.
Oh, yeah. I was even been TIG welded.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Wow.
I'm not for sure. I'm gonna have to be. I don't know what the heck. What happened here? It's off the track.
Oh, there you go.
I think they were a little rough with it.
In shipping.
Yeah, I think so.
Be careful, sir. There you go.
It's off the track. That's what it is.
Yep. Yep, just like that.
There we go. Hey, look at that, guys.
Man, I'm telling you, that's gonna make life a lot easier.
In heaven.
Hold on. Here, let me get that.
Put the basket over here.
Here, trade me for a second.
Okay.
I gotta take care of the guy. Okay, I'll get that stuff out of the way.
Okay.
Man, that's beautiful, Dad.
The welding on this thing is awesome looking.
Oh,
Look in here.
Oh, wow.
Look at the welding and stuff. Isn't that awesome?
Took some time. It took.
Now what it does, this here pivots.
Oh, wow. Oh, cool.
And see, it's got the holes are in the tubing, and that's what it spins around it.
Yeah.
See, I just got bars that are stationary, and it just sprays one way and the basket turns. This is going to be even better.
Yeah, you didn't even show him none of that.
I didn't?
No.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, guys. He's not the camera guy, but
So you can see all the spray holes in this and the bars.
Yep. All the way around, bottom, top. But ours, he was saying that ours are on the side.
Yeah, it's just stationary.
They're
It sprays
stationary.
one direction. It's got here and here only, and it sprays on the bottom. This thing's got them all the way on the bottom, all
Wow.
the way around on the top. This thing,
It's a
you don't want to
360.
get in here. I bet you'd take a good bath.
Hey, if you were dirty.
Down here. Our storage for our water and soap.
Awesome. This guy's got it going on.
See the seals, how it's sealed all the way to the machine, the doors and stuff.
Yeah, awesome.
Beautiful welds.
Yeah.
Look at that right there. Man, that is awesome.
And that's awesome. Having
Right.
to drag a case. Y'all have no clue how bad it is when you have to drag a case to the washer and lean over and
pull it out and stuff.
man, that's gonna be awesome.
Man, how are we gonna get this hooked up now, Trent? This thing's heavy.
Okay, guys, we need some help.
Any volunteers?
Any volunteers to move it from there over to there?
There. Man, this is good. I like this too. It's a lot taller. It puts it more up to your chest area and stuff like that. Instead of like down so low that it breaks your back. Getting over this here. Put your case in there. Take that out.
He's still getting used to it. Man, that's awesome. I think that's a bolt tray and stuff, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so this is like an accessories tray here, guys. So your bolts and everything like that, you throw that in there. And then you throw it onto our wash here. Throw it in there to where you're not losing your bolts and you can wash them.
Yeah. Oh, this is going to be nice.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, see? Before, in that one, you got to bend down, lean over.
Isn't that nice?
Man, that's awesome,
And
guys.
this stays stationary, and this just goes around it like that. Wow, I've never seen one like this.
I'm excited.
I am excited. Look at that. Wow.
Would you just look at it?
That's impressive.
Yeah. And then our handles.
Wow. InstaClean. We want to thank you. Definitely, we appreciate you guys. You got a couple phone calls coming. We have to talk, believe me. We really appreciate you guys. It's going to make our business so much better. Make our transmissions work so much better. I mean, just everything about it. I mean, our machine's like 40 years old. What an update. Man, we're so excited. So excited. I'm going to get this thing hooked up, get it pumping, put a case in there, open it up, and watch that thing spin around. I might even put you in there, Trent.
No, you're not. Hey, we need something dirty.
Yeah, hey, we got a lot of dirty.
We got a lot of dirty
out
stuff to wash.
We got
So
a lot
y'all
of
guys
stuff.
stay tuned.
there. Yeah, we do. But thank you again. Y'all don't forget to subscribe. We got a lot more shows to come, a lot more teaching to come. Definitely, man, and that's what I'm enjoying doing. So y'all stay tuned. You have a great day.